Precast, pre-stressed concrete products are factory-produced architectural and structural building components. They are manufactured in high-quality controlled, nationally certified facilities that monitor critical variables such as mix design, tolerances, and final finishes. This process makes precast concrete products far superior and the fastest construction method compared to on-site construction. This video is about the production of major components for precast, pre-stressed concrete bridges such as Florida I-beam girders, piles, and more. The driving surface or deck of the bridge is supported by multiple girders, which span horizontally between pier caps. Pier columns are supported by pre-stressed piles that are driven deep into soil for reinforcement. They are produced with a minimum of 6,000 psi concrete and high tensile strength steel strands. Concrete can be self-consolidated concrete or ultimate high-performance concrete. Quality products start with the proper preparation of the casting beds or forms. Once the bed is cleaned, high tensile strength steel strands are pulled through predetermined locations across the length of the casting bed or form. Each strand gets tensioned with a hydraulic jack to a specific tension and secured at both ends. Pre-tensioning or pre-stressing strands allow concrete girders to span further between supports and handle much higher loads. Next, a thin film of form release agent is applied for ease of removal. Continuous lightweight steel rebars are placed per engineering design and calculations to further reinforce the structure. Now the bed is ready for QC, or quality control inspections. QC inspections are a critical step toward producing quality, cost-effective products. FPCA, Precast Pre-Stressed Concrete Institute certified plants, must adhere to strict guidelines with robust inspections, rigorous materials testing, precise record-keeping, and biannual independent inspections. Concrete is a mixture of cement, rock, sand, water, and chemical agents used to enhance performance. Quality control personnel develop mixture proportioning or mix design based on project specifications, local building codes, design requirements, and to ensure performance and cost effectiveness. Concrete is batched based on a mix design provided by QC personnel and pre-approved by the Department of Transportation. The wet mixed concrete or self-consolidated concrete is mixed in a central mixer and delivered to the I-beam casting bed or pile form. Once concrete is filled to the top of the casting bed, workers provide a quality finish to the surface. During production, small samples of concrete are collected. Temperature is verified and specimens are made for compressive strength testing. The next day, after pouring the concrete, a QC worker will place the cured specimen into a testing machine to verify that proper strength has been achieved to detension the steel strands and remove the product from the form. Once the concrete has reached the required strength, it's time for sparks to fly. To detension strands, workers use high-heat torches to cut the strands in sequential order so equal forces are transferred into the component, preventing possible damage. The strands of beams and piles are released at each end of the casting bed and between individual products to ensure no extraordinary forces are introduced into the concrete. Proper strength gain will also be critical when components are being lifted out of its form to prevent any buckling or cracking. The products are now ready for preliminary inspection and removal from the casting beds. Once removed from the form, QC personnel inspects each piece for correct tolerances and aesthetic damages. Some components may require non-structural repair or touch-up. These pieces get transferred to the rework area. Once QC personnel approves repairs, workers load up the order and are ready to go to the job site for installation. The precast concrete industry produces and stores bridge components at the manufacturing plants, then delivers them when the project is ready. Precast products benefit developers, contractors, and owners in many ways, including resiliency, long clear spans or space versatility, fire resistance, energy conservation, low maintenance, speed of construction, and attractive appearances. Now we're ready for delivery. Even though the job of the manufacturing plant is done, this is when the customer's journey with top-quality precast pre-stressed concrete just begins. For more information about precast pre-stressed concrete bridges, visit myfpca.org.